Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are looking at MA Cross, the custom version. We already covered MA 50 and MA 200 crosses earlier, so let us make this one more practical. The fixed 50-day and 200-day alerts are popular because many traders watch those levels. Custom MA Cross is different. It lets you choose the moving average period that fits your own trading time frame. The basic idea is still simple. You pick a moving average period, then watch for price to cross above or below that line. A cross above can suggest price is regaining strength for that time frame. A cross below can warn that price is losing that time frame's trend support. The useful part is the period choice. A shorter moving average like 10 or 20 periods reacts faster. It may catch turns earlier, but it can also create more noisy alerts. A longer moving average, like 100 periods, reacts more slowly. It can filter out some noise, but the alert may arrive later. So the question is not, what is the best period? The better question is, what job should this alert do? If you are watching short-term pullbacks, a faster average may make sense. If you are watching a bigger trend shift, a slower average may be better. The period should match the decision you want to make. Here is a simple example. Imagine price crosses above a 20-period average after a pullback. That may be useful for a shorter-term strength watch. But the same stock might still be below a 100-period average, which means the bigger trend is not fully repaired. Both can be true at the same time. That is why custom settings need context. Cross direction matters too. Cross above is usually used for strength or recovery watches. Cross below is usually used for risk or weakness watches. Neither one is a trade by itself. It is a prompt to review the chart. The common mistake is overfitting. That means changing the moving average period again and again until it looks perfect on old data. A setting that looks perfect in the past may fail in the next market condition. Pick a period for a reason, keep it consistent, and combine it with volume, support, resistance, and risk planning. In Signal Alert, add MA Cross, choose the moving average period. Choose cross above or cross below and create the alert for the stocks you want to watch. The goal is simple. Let Signal Alert track your chosen trend line so you can spend less time staring at charts and more time reviewing the alerts that fit your plan. Visit Signal Alert, EO, and build your next market alert in minutes.